That's right, Mike. We've been watching this non-tropical low pressure system in the North Atlantic for several days now. Absolutely no threat to South Florida. Go ahead and get that out of the way. It's now our fourth named storm of the 2018 Atlantic season. We have subtropical storm Debbie, winds at 40 miles per hour, posing no threat to anyone really. And you can see becoming a depression by Wednesday evening. So just keeping you updated in case you hear there is a named storm out there. There is, but it is absolutely no threat to us in South Florida. We'll keep you updated on that though. Also, keeping an eye on the satellite and radar right now. Fairly quiet across our area. It's actually beautiful. Lots of sunshine, really low rain chances, but I will say I'm keeping an eye on this cluster of rain and storms that's currently moving north through Miami-Dade County. I do think some of these showers could possibly clip the southern edge of southern Palm Beach County along the coast, and then the highest rain chances are going to be inland as we head through the afternoon. Vipercast shows that. So you see this here, the coast really staying mostly dry, especially along the Treasure Coast, but inland around Lake O this afternoon we have a better chance for a little bit of rain, maybe a few storms, and then a couple coastal showers possible overnight. Your temperatures right now mid 80s around Lake O, 87 in Wellington and West Palm Beach, same thing in Jupiter, 88 in Boynton, Vero Beach also coming in at 88, but it feels like the mid and upper 90s for most of us. It feels like 96 in Indiantown and Belglade, feels like 98 in Stewart and Boca, so that's what you're going to be dealing with as you step out the door. Your hour by hour forecast, upper 80s through most of the afternoon. You can see that inland storm chance here through the really afternoon hours, so I'd say mainly after 3 o'clock, and then a nice breeze continuing. If you're headed to the beach, it's going to be hot and breezy, low to moderate risk of rip currents at area beaches, so I'd say just make sure you plan for some relief from the heat because it's going to feel so hot out there and that sun is intense. A little choppy for boaters at times, but overall light chop on the inland water, seas about 1 to 3 feet. Highs today in the upper 80s and lower 90s with that rainfall as mentioned, mainly inland this afternoon, but a little bit of coastal rain can't completely be ruled out. Winds out of the southeast 10 to 15, 20 miles per hour today. And then overnight some isolated coastal rain is possible. It's going to be warm once again, a little bit cooler inland though. Your 7-day forecast shows rain chances do go up just a bit Wednesday and Thursday, closer to average. And then heading through Friday into your weekend, rain chances going back down a tad bit Friday into Saturday, and once again closer to average Sunday and Monday.